Hello students, welcome back to Prakash CBSE. Today we will see exercise 8.4, Roman number 5, option number 7 and 8. So let's get into the 7th one. So here we have to prove that sine theta minus 2 sine cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to 10. So let's take this LHS side and let's prove the RHS. Means we have to prove that tan theta. Let's take. So from this, let's take sine common outside in the numerator, and down we can take cos common outside on taking common. So on taking sine and cos common outside. If we take in the numerator place sine common outside, sine, if you take, then the remaining will be 1 minus 2 sine square theta. And denominator place, if you take 1 cos theta outside, remaining you will have 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, now we have one identity here, sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. If you want sine square theta, let's take opposite, then sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So in place of sine square theta we can apply 1 minus cos square theta. See, if you apply, what you will get, sine theta by cos theta. So let's take whole division here, 1 minus 2 into, in place of sine square theta only we are applying 1 minus cos square theta. Here 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, now sine theta 1 minus, just multiply this 2 inside, then you will get 2 minus into minus plus cos square theta, 2 cos square theta by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. Just subtract this, then what you will get, see, sine theta into 1 minus 2 you will get minus 1, or you can write this here, 2 cos square theta minus 1 divided by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. This we can cancel, remaining sine theta by cos theta. We know formula, sine theta by cos theta equal to tan theta, hence LHS equal to RHS. Okay, hope that you understand this. If any doubt, please put it in the comment section. Let's move to the option number 8. So here we have sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square equal to, we have to prove 7 plus tan square A plus cot square E. So let's take, here we can apply one identity, A plus B whole square formula. So we know A plus B whole square formula, A square plus B square plus 2AB. For here and here, both the place we can use the same identity. If we use the formula, then you will get your A square means here we know sine square A plus cosecant square A plus 2 into sine A cosecant A plus, now apply for this, again same formula, cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 cos A secant A. Now let's rearrange these terms, means sine square theta and cos square theta we can write together. So sine square A plus cos square A, remaining we have here cosecant square A plus, let's write now secant square A plus 2 sine A cosecant A plus 2 cos A secant A is the remaining. Now by one identity we know we can take this sine square theta plus cos square theta value, we know 1, and another formula we have here, formulas I'll write here, 1 plus tan square theta equal to, we can take secant square theta. And one more formula we have, 1 plus cot square theta equal to, we can take cosecant square theta. And we have reciprocal formulas, 1 by sine is equal to cosecant theta, and we have secant theta reciprocal 1 by cos theta. All this formula we are going to use now. Let's see your formulas I have written here. Let's apply now. So sine square theta plus cos square theta value we know 1, plus in place of cosecant square theta we can apply 1 plus cot square theta. So 1 plus cot square theta, plus secant square theta formula we can apply 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, plus 2 sine A, cosecant A reciprocal 1 by sine, plus 2 cos A, secant reciprocal we have 1 by cos. Now sine, sine, cos and cos we can cancel. So remaining we have here 1, 2, 3, 3 plus 2. So let's write one more step, 1 plus 1 cot square A plus 1 plus tan square A plus 2 plus 2. Okay, now when you add all this you will get 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. So hence LHS equal to RHS. Hope that you understand this. If any doubt, please put it in the comment section. It's all that using this formula only we are proving. Just go through once this formula, then you watch this video so that you will understand. Thank you so much for watching. In the next video we will discuss remaining two options. Thank you.